for a new blow dryer but don't necessarily want to hurt the bank, trust me, I am there with you. So today we will try this bad boy out and I will let you know if it's worth the money and if it's a good all-around affordable hair dryer. Stay tuned. Wow, that gives me a lot of volume. I like it. Oh my goodness, I think I'm in love.
The convenient Curalux Auto Pause sensor will pause airflow when the dryer handle is released and resume airflow once held again. On the handle of the Curalux, you'll find 3 IR sensors, 1 on the front of the handle and 2 on the back. To maintain airflow, ensure at least one of the 3 sensors is covered during use. If not, the airflow will pause. To disengage the auto pause sensor, hold the speed switch down until the 3rd light blinks. To re-engage the sensor, hold the speed switch down until the 3rd light blinks once again.
If you're interested in buying one of these products, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.